Hi dear children, welcome back to our video class. Dear children, today we will discuss about the topic lesson number first, introduction of animals revision class. Okay, first one is insects. First one is insects. Butterfly, butterfly. Honeybee, honeybee. Mosquito, mosquito. Housefly, housefly. Ant, ant. Cockroach, cockroach. Spider, spider. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Ladybug, ladybug. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Scorpio, scorpio. Next one, birds, birds. Crow, crow. Sparrow, sparrow. Parrot, crow. Sparrow ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಡಕ್ ಡಕ್ ಈಗಲ್ ಈಗಲ್ owl owl pigeon pigeon peacock peacock hen hen
lion, rhinoceros,
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡ
hippopotamus, fox, giraffe, bear, deer. These are all wild animals live in the forest. Next one picture. These are all domestic animals like cat, rabbit, rat, sheep, dog, cow, ox, buffalo, camel, goat, donkey, pig, etc. These are all domestic animals. Domestic animals. Children, let us learn about the domestic animals and wild animals in detail. First, I will learn about the topic domestic animals. Children, look at the picture. These are all domestic animals. Animals that we keep in our homes or farms are called domestic animals. Animals that we keep in our homes or farms are called domestic animals. For example, donkey, buffalo, cow, sheep, camel, ass, goat, dog. These are all domestic animals we keep in our homes or farms are called domestic animals. Children, it is safe to keep them near our home. It is safe to keep them near our home. Children, we keep some animals like cat, dog and goat in our homes. They are called domestic animals. It is safe to keep them near our home. Look at the pictures. Cow, dog, hen, cat, goat in this picture. Children, I will show the domestic animals pictures one by one. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. Buffalo. Buffalo also gives us milk. Buffalo also gives us milk. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. Goat. Goat gives us meat. Goat gives us meat. Pig. Pig also gives us meat. Camel. Camel help us carry the load. Horse. Ox.
Again.
Children, look at the picture. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep gives us. We use the wool of sheep to make the clothes. Next one. Look at the picture. Horse, camels and bullocks draw our carts and carriages. Horse, camels, bullocks, carriages. Next, donkeys, horse and camels carry the loads for us. Donkeys, horse and camels carry the loads for us. Next, the horse and the camel also give us joy rides. The horse and the camel also give us joy rides. The dog guards our home. The dog guards our home. Domestic animals like chicken, duck, goat, pig, etc. give us meat. We also get eggs from chickens and ducks. Domestic animals like chicken, duck, goat, pig, etc. give us meat. We also get eggs from chickens and ducks. See there, children, goat gives us meat. Hen and ducks meat. Hen and ducks also gets some animals are wild animals. Some animals are wild animals. Children, see the picture. Deer, fox, lion, giraffe. These are all wild animals. These are all wild animals. We cannot keep wild animals in our homes. We cannot keep wild animals in our homes. They live in the forest. They live in the forest. Most wild animals are very dangerous. Most wild animals are very dangerous. Yes, we must live away from these animals. We can see them zoo and national park. Children's, I will show the animals pictures, wild animals pictures. For example, giraffe. For example, giraffe. Lion. Lion. Tiger. Tiger.
Sound.
Leopard. Leopard. Elephant. Elephant. Bear. Bear. Wild animals and other animals. Wild animals and other animals. Wild animals are hunt other animals or eat plants in the forest. In the forest. Children, once again say the domestic animal, wild animals. Tiger, lion, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, fox, giraffe, bear, deer. Children, once again, tiger, lion, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, fox, giraffe, bear, deer. These are all wild animals. Wild animals are very dangerous. Wild animals are very dangerous. Next, domestic animals. These are all domestic animals. Say one by one. Cat, cat, rabbit, rabbit, rat, rat, sheep, sheep, dog, dog, cow, cow, ox, ox, buffalo, buffalo, camel, camel, horse, horse, goat, goat, hen, hen, bull, bull.
Dear children, today homework is write any five names of birds, write any five names of insects. Okay, write any five names of birds, write any five names of insects.